Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I hope everyone is doing well. Happy Monday. So I have a quick, tiny little haul from Amazon, and then I need to go back to cleaning my craft room. That is my goal this week. I have to have everything cleaned up by Friday because we're having a big furniture delivered, and yeah, and the house is looking crazy. So anyway, and my craft room needs some cleaning. I mean, it's been crazy. Yesterday I did clear my desk, so yay, I was happy to at least get that done. Okay, so anyway, let's get to my haul. So I had to get some essentials from Amazon, and also because I got a Christmas gift card from my sister for Christmas. Hey sis, thank you so much. Not that she watches my videos, but anyway, I'm really grateful. She was really generous, so she gave me some money. And then also my husband got me this massage. It's a massager for your legs and feet, and that was my Christmas present, one of them. And anyway, he had to return it because it broke. I mean, seriously, it was like it broke. So and luckily I wasn't using it. My son was actually the one that was using it when it broke, and luckily his feet didn't get stuck inside it. So his feet and legs, because seriously, I don't know how I would have gotten him out without having to break the whole thing apart. So yeah, it was crazy. Anyway, so I did buy some essentials. This is a 6¼ by 6½ inch. Sometimes I like to make square cards, and I'll do a 6x6 card or a 5x5 that is kind of chunky. And so sometimes I can't really fit it in the envelopes. And I actually do like putting my cards and also wrapping my gifts in clear plastic. So I always have these on hand, and I ran out. Yeah, I had like 100 of these, but it lasted me a few years. So yeah, so I had to get some more, and this comes in 100 a pack, and I can't remember how much it was, but I want to say it was less than $10 though. So like I said, it lasts me a long time. So I did pick up, usually the sizes that I pick up is the 6¼ or 6½ by 6½. And then I pick up a 5x7, and then I like an A2 size, which is like it'll fit a 4x6 card in it. And there's another size that I get too, which is a nice slim one, and that's where I can put like my embellishments and things. But yeah, sometimes I get it on Amazon. I've gotten it in different places before, but anyway. Then I got another cutting pad because I always like to have a spare. I opened up my last spare pair. So I like to just have another one on hand, and this was like 8 something. So it's not bad. I mean, you know, it's free delivery and everything. So and then you guys, I got these rolling pins, and these are the 5-inch ones. I have seen some really cute rolling pins that are altered online. I've seen them on Etsy. People are selling them. I think Hobby Lobby has some, and of course you guys know I am staying home. I don't do a whole lot of shopping outside. I mean, I don't do any shopping actually. Everything's online. So I decided I wanted to alter my own. So I'm going to see if I can do that. And they're really cute, as you can see here. They're just plain wood And I can't remember how much I got these for, but I can leave the link for you guys. But yay, can't wait to show you what I create, because I'm getting ready to do a tier tray. And in fact, I pulled out all of my Valentine stuff. I found my little guy right here. Remember these? I think these were from last year. So this little guy's gonna go on my tiered tray this year. This was gifted to me by my bestie, Sophia. Hey girl. And I love her so much. Was it from last year, you guys, or was it from the previous year? I can't remember. Time goes by so fast and I lose track. But she's so cute, and I can't wait to do my tiered tray. So and then lastly, this is what I got from Amazon. I paid buku bucks for it, but you know, I'm not, like I said, I'm not shopping, and I know people are getting these from TJ Maxx, and I can't believe how much people are selling the stuff, the Ray Dunn stuff online. It's crazy ridiculous, you guys. But you know, I can't go out. I can't go to TJ Maxx, and I do understand there is a TJ Maxx online now, but things go fast, I guess. So I didn't find it, but I had my heart set on this one, and it was going to be like more, it was going to cost me more to get it on Etsy, so I decided to just get it. And it is the Ray Dunn Artisan Collection by Magenta, and it's this 2000, is that 2002? Oh, sorry, no, it's just a number, 202, I think. So anyway, yes, I went ahead and got it, you guys, because I want to put this on my tiered tray. So we'll see. So I now own 2 Ray Dunn mugs. That's it, just 2. And I have a lot of Easter stuff, but so I can't wait to do like an Easter tray again this year. But I don't think I've ever done a Valentine's one. I don't believe I have. So I'm excited. I'm excited to do that. So that's why I'm cleaning up my room, and I'm also working on my Christmas tree. So hopefully that comes out okay. But yeah, I'm gonna be altering some projects. Like I said, I'm gonna alter the pin. What else? I'm probably gonna alter. I still have plenty of these beads right here. So I'm going to be making another beaded garland, or yeah, I think it's called a beaded garland, right? I did have one from last year, but I'm going to say I want to do a different one this year. And so what I plan to do is paint these, and then I think on one end, I'm going to put one of these. And I can't even remember where I got these, you guys, but these are wooden pieces. So I'm probably gonna either do red or pink. I don't know yet. I'm kind of leaning towards the pink, but I am going to attach this at one of the ends. And it's wood, it's nice and thick. So we'll see. Hopefully this is big enough and it's gonna look okay. But yeah, wish me luck on my projects, and I can't wait to share that with you guys once I have it done. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.